Good morning, reception, and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. We are going to do some more sharing, and the reason we're going to do some more is so we can practice, because the more we do it, the easier it will get. So whether you're at school or at home doing this, you're still going to have lots of fun. So let's first off recapping what sharing is. What sign do we use when we share? Can you draw it on your whiteboards now? And show you're grown up? Okay, so it's the division sign, and it's a line and a dot at the top and a dot at the bottom. That's what it looks like, division sign. And that's just another way of saying sharing. And today we are going to share our leaves with the mini beasts, because mini beasts like eating leaves. And you'll learn in English all about insects and flowers today. So I thought, now why not share leaves with our mini beasts? So if you remember, can you remember our first step from yesterday's lesson? What do we need to do first? We need to count the leaves, because this will help us write our number sentence. And this will help us write the beginning of our number sentence. So let's count the leaves together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many leaves altogether? 8. So I'm going to start off by writing the number 8. And if I'm sharing, remember, what sign do I need to use? The division sign. So 8 shared between how many insects? I have a grasshopper here and a ladybird here. How many insects are there? There are 2 insects. And before I find my answer, I need to remember to put my equal sign. So I've already written most of my number sentence, but I need to work out my answer. 8 divided by 2 equals. So I'm going to do this by drawing today. I'm not moving my leaves. I'm going to draw them and cross them out as I go. So every time I draw a leaf and share it, I cross it out. So I'm going to start by drawing my first leaf, and your leaves might be much better than mine. I'm going to cross this one out. So that's one done. I'm going to draw another leaf here and cross it out until all my leaves have finished and I've crossed all of them out. Let's go from here. So, how many leaves does each insect have? Can you help me count them and make sure they are equal? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The grasshopper has 4 leaves. How many does the ladybird have? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4 too? So 8 leaves shared between 2 insects equals 4. So that's a number sentence you should have written. Let's do one more example and then you can have a go. This time we're not sharing between 2 insects or 3. It looks like we are sharing between 1, 2, 3, 4 insects. We seem to have a caterpillar, grasshopper, an ant, and a ladybird. But what's the first thing we need to do? Count the number of leaves. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, can you pause the video now and share 12 objects or leaves between 4 insects? So that just means 4 equal groups. Let me say that again. Can you share 12 objects between 4 equal groups, or in 4 equal groups, please? You can pause the video and do that now. Okay, so if you shared 12, you should have written the number 12. And because we're sharing, Remember division sharing between 4 insects. I'm going to write the number 4. So let me do this here, and I am going to do it. So I'm going to draw it and cross it out, or draw it and then cross it out afterwards, so I don't get confused. Draw it, cross it out until all my leaves have finished at the top. Draw it, cross it out, draw it, cross it out. And if you're using objects, that is absolutely fine too, if that helps you with your sharing. Right, let's check whether each insect has an equal amount to make it fair. How many does a caterpillar have? 3. How many does a grasshopper have? 3. How many does the ant have? 3. And the ladybird? 3. Are they equal or are they not equal? They are equal, so it's fair. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So you have some questions like this, and it's up to you. You can draw your leaves in the circles, or you can cut the leaves out and stick them with the insects. If you don't have access to a printer and you can't print the sheet out, that is okay. Just draw the leaves and write the number sentences. That will be enough. I look forward to your fantastic work reception and good practicing with your division work. Good work.